Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with TCGPlayer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for cards via PayPal. How do you actually go ahead and connect PayPal with TCGPlayer? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that you want to do is log on to TCGPlayer. Next, you're going to click on this icon on the upper right-hand corner. And then you're going to click on Manage Payment Methods. Once you click on Manage Payment Methods, you're going to reach this page here where it's going to prompt you to enter your credit card or debit card information. All you've got to do is scroll all the way down and then click on Add a PayPal account. So once you click on Add a PayPal account, it's going to prompt you to actually log into PayPal, and then you just connect your PayPal account with TCGPlayer. So as you can see, once I click this, it's going to take me to the login screen of PayPal. So just follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with TCGPlayer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.